If you're starting from zero and trying to make your first $1,000 online, this video is for you. Not overnight, not from some secret trick, but using methods that are actually working right now. Most people fail because they either chase too many things at once or they follow ideas that are already saturated or just unrealistic for beginners. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most realistic ways to earn your first $1,000, even if you don't have a big audience, a lot of money, or advanced skills. Let's get into it. YouTube automation. This is one of the most talked about online business models right now because it allows you to run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Instead of being the creator, you build a system. You research profitable niches like finance, motivation, or educational content. Then you create or outsource scripts, voiceovers, and editing. Now here's the thing you need to understand. YouTube automation is not fast money. It takes time for videos to gain traction, but once they do, the income becomes consistent and scalable. TikTok Creator Rewards Program. This method is best for people who are patient and focused on long-term growth. This program allows creators to earn money directly from TikTok based on video performance, mainly watch time and engagement. To be eligible, you need to be at least 18, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and hit 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Your account needs to be in good standing, you must post original content, and your videos need to be longer than 1 minute to qualify. The advantage here? You don't need to sell anything. If you can consistently create engaging content in niches like storytelling, facts, motivation, or education, this can be a powerful income stream. Video editing. Right now, every creator in business needs content, especially short-form videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If you learn basic editing using tools like CapCut or Premiere Pro, you can start offering your services quickly. Many beginners make their first $1,000 just by editing videos for smaller creators on a monthly retainer. This is honestly one of the fastest paths to income if you're willing to learn a practical skill and consistently reach out to potential clients. Coding. Okay, this one has a higher learning curve, but it also has much higher long-term potential. Businesses constantly need websites, landing pages, and simple automations. And if traditional coding feels overwhelming, no-code tools can still help you deliver real value to clients. Once you build even basic competence in this space, reaching $1,000 becomes realistic and, more importantly, repeatable. Social media management. Many small businesses know they need to be active on social media, but they just don't have the time or structure to manage it properly. As a social media manager, your role includes scheduling posts, replying to messages, and tracking basic performance metrics. Here's why this works so well. It often provides monthly recurring income. That means you don't start from zero each month. And honestly, it requires reliability and communication skills more than any technical expertise. Face to camera, serious but encouraging tone. Now here's the most important thing I want you to understand. You do not need to do all of these methods. Pick one. Commit for 30 days. Trying to chase everything at once is the fastest way to fail. Pick one method that fits your skills, your schedule, and your goals, and commit to it for at least 30 days. Making your first $1,000 is not about luck. It's about focus, consistency, and execution. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.